You guys have the ride?
Yeah.
Detection emergency broadcast system. Port Ridley City, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you with big, hairy arms. We hope you enjoy your stay, and while you're here, may all your streams come. Attention visitors! For your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet. Attention! Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its tongue out of control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant...
Oh, Pooh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Look, Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit in position. Run out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. All right, now, enter. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
I ain't working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now!
What, Pooh? There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan! They'll never get her home now!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Bye, Wazowski!
Love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough
decontaminated.
situation status to 99ers now. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 99ers. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child.